right, y'all. I want to actually talk to you candidly because y'all my peoples, y'all my family. I want to make sure you're set up for success when it comes to being a trader. And I don't think anybody on YouTube that cares about you like I do and the Boss Up Academy family does. So I'm gonna break it down for real, for real. So first things first, my friends, you look at me now and you're looking at my mile 15 and you're probably at mile 0 or mile 1 and you're comparing where I'm at to where you're at. That is the recipe for disaster. Please do not do that when starting out your trading journey. One thing, most importantly, everybody's journey is different. But at the end of the day, you are ahead of the game because you are starting. So what I have to say to you, my friends, make sure you keep going. Okay, so with that part, I want to add a caveat to that. You need a strategy. Find a simple strategy that you can follow and listen to one voice. I know that might sound crazy because YouTube University has so much information and people get confused with thinking overconsumption of information equals success. That's literally the opposite. Overconsumption of information equals confusion and disaster because every individual has a different strategy. And if you're trying to consume all of them and use all of them at the same time, they will cancel each other out. So really, truly, highly doubt if there is an individual that is teaching you multiple strategies at one time is actually trading that way. If you do your due diligence, successful traders have one strategy that they stick to. So I highly doubt that if you're learning or being taught a bunch of strategies that they're being successful, really and truly, because at the end of the day, like I told you, they will cancel each other out. So my friends, find a simple strategy that you can use day in and day out. And the key when it comes to that, my friends, is to focus on making that strategy your own and getting better at that strategy. Not to say, hey, it's not working, let me switch, let me switch. My friends, that is how you keep going in that circle, in that cycle, and you find yourself not being profitable. It's not the strategy, it's not the market, it's you, okay? I don't know if anybody ever told you that. It's you. All right, let's go on to the next thing. If I was a brand new trader or if I've been having issues, what is something that I would say I cannot live without or I wish I would have known sooner? Levels. Supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it, my friends. Levels, right? If you are able to actually pay attention to the technicals and understand that price action moves from level to level. And what you need to do is be aware of these levels and then make an informed decision on the trade you want to get in, or if you're already in a trade, how to get out. Because of the simple fact that the charts are not just floating in the air. They are calculated moves. And if we are aware of these levels where buyers and sellers are hanging out, we're able to make an informed decision on said trade. If you do not know, my friends, you're going to possibly be entering into a trade right into a strong level of resistance or a strong level of support. You're like, oh my God, every time I get into a trade, it doesn't work. You just didn't know there was a level there. Okay, so learning how to identify these levels, mark them on your chart for yourself, get good and confident at marking these levels and doing it repetitively, my friends, I'm telling you, it's going to be a game changer for you. Last but not least, because you're my friends, I feel like I can talk to you this way. And I hope this message is resonating with you. If it is, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to do stuff like this for you all the time. But listen, y'all, what is the alternative if you just say, I'm done with trading, it's not working anymore, I'm going to stop? You're just going to be living the life you currently live anyway, right? Nothing changes in your life. But if you actually stick with this, if you actually make this your own, if you actually start to identify levels, like I said, and you hone in on your craft, guess what? You have the potential to change your life. But if you stop, there's nothing that's going to change. You just go back to the life you've been living. How cool is that? You don't have to take off a leg. They don't take fingertips, right? You just go back to your regular life. But obviously, something was not working in that regular life. This is why you searched out something. And I want you to know that it's not by chance that you stumbled on my video, right? This means it's for you. This is for you. You just needed to hear this message and understand that you got this. You just need to tweak a few things. I hope this video gave you those pointers, and make sure you check out my other videos about options tradings to help you out with other details or, other things. But guys, whatever life you are currently living, it's not what you want. That's why you're searching. So keep going, my friends. This is your sign that you found the thing that you need. You just needed a little tweak. If you want to actually trade with me live, see my screen, hear my thought process, and hang out with some cool people, right? Go ahead and click the link in my description box to join my awesome community where I teach live. I break it down simply because I'm an elementary school teacher. Because guys, there's more than enough room for us in the market. We just need a simple strategy to know how to work it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. Make sure you smash that subscribe button.